Hi everyone, this is Mahima and you're watching Style Craze TV. I'm gonna be telling you some really nice natural hair care tips today. So everyone knows that chemicals are really bad for your hair, and especially the ones that are there in the coloring dye that you apply for your white hair, the sprays, the free sprays, the mousse, the straightening and perming creams and everything. So these are the reasons why the hair starts becoming weak and there's hair breakage, split ends, and ultimately it leads to hair fall. So I'm going to be giving you these few tips which will help you nourish your hair. You can use these products, but side by side you should know that it is very important to nourish your hair using natural ingredients. So these are the top 5 ingredients that you can use to keep your hair beautiful. So the first one is a very well-known one, which is egg. So just beat the egg and egg white, the yolk and egg white, and apply it on your hair like a mask. The hair is made of protein, and the egg white is known to be very, very rich in protein. So it hence gives all the required protein intake that the hair needs. And so you leave it on for like about 30 minutes. I know it really smells bad, but just bear it for about half an hour, and then wash it off with cold water or normal temperature water, and this helps in conditioning your hair very well. The second one is using bottle gourd juice. So what you could do is maybe take a bottle gourd and cut it into pieces, put it in a mixie with some water, and post that using maybe a muslin cloth or using something of that sort. You can just take out the juice and apply this juice onto your hair, and again leave it on for about 30 minutes, and this too shall help reduce hair fall and make your hair stronger. Using a natural conditioner is very good, though you do use conditioner of the same brand as the shampoo, but even natural conditioners work wonders for the hair. So one such natural conditioner would be a mixture of egg, yogurt and honey. So mix these 3 ingredients really well and apply it on your hair after you've shampooed your hair, and leave it for about 20 minutes, and then wash it off, and do not apply anything else over it, because let that mask seep into the hair. The fourth one is it's baking soda and water. So this basically, you can just wash your hair with this solution after you've applied shampoo, and this basically helps in rinsing off the extra shampoo and all the chemicals from the sprays and the dyes that you've used. Anything that's left in the hair all gets washed off with this solution, making your hair all ready to start afresh. And lastly, use an aloe vera mask for the hair. This helps in boosting growth, and it also helps in giving a lot of shine to the hair. So I think these 5 natural ingredients are very easily available in the market and even at home, and I'm sure using these should not be a problem. So take care of your hair, and I'll see you soon in another episode. Thank you.